I'm Zach, I'm the head civil attorney of Wooldridge Law, and today I want to talk to you a little about car accidents in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a growing city. Every single year, more roads are being added with more construction, and the ultimate result is we're having more accidents on Las Vegas roadways, including the 95, the 215, the 15, you name it, we got it right now. If we're talking about types of car accidents, we have the whole entire gamut. We have side swipes, T-bone collisions, rear enders, and all these accidents can affect you on Las Vegas roadways. So while the best thing you can do is to drive defensively, try to avoid an accident, that can't always be done. And so when you're involved in an accident, I want to share some tips and tricks about how to handle this situation outside Las Vegas roadways, or on Las Vegas roadways, I should say. Number one, when you're involved in an accident, just remember safety first. I want you to take care of yourself and the people around you and the environment around you. I want to make sure that you're okay. Take care of your health concerns. Take care of the health concerns of other people around you. It doesn't matter who's at fault or at fault right now. Make sure everyone's okay. And that includes calling 911 if someone needs medical attention. It also means looking at the roadway conditions to make sure they're safe. Make sure there's no gasoline that can cause further hazard. Make sure there's no electrical lines that are down. Make sure there's no other hazards that could hurt somebody. If that is the case, you must handle that first. But once that's taken care of and 911's called, then it's important to take these next steps. One, if you haven't called 911, call 311 because you do want to get the police out there to take an accident report. But now the kind of burden falls to you. You need to investigate the scene. I want you to pull out your smartphone, whether it be an Android or an iPhone, and I want you to start taking photographs, and I want you to start taking videos of the scene around you. Particularly, I want you to take photos and videos of all the cars involved, including yours and the other people's cars. I want you to take videos and photos of your injuries. I want you to take photos and videos of where you're at. I want you to take photos and videos of the signage around. I want you to take photos and videos of the other people's insurance cards. I want you to take photos and videos of all the other witnesses. You name it, I want you to photograph it. I want you to document it. In addition to photos and videos, I want you to take notes. I want you to take notes of the date and time of the incident, where the accident took place. I want you to take notes of the witnesses, and I want you to get their cell phone numbers, their addresses, their email address, any way to contact them. You want to gather as much information as possible. And once you have done all of this and you have everything, I want you to do one more thing. I want you to go into video mode, and I want you to walk around the scene, and you can even commentate over it, and I want you to film everything one more time. And it doesn't have to be anything specific, but I just want you to have that one last pass over the entire accident scene to capture any possible information. Because the reality is, someone is at fault for this accident, and if you're the one not at fault, we want to make sure we have all the evidence possible to make sure we can prove that to who we need to prove it to. Now, the good news for you is that Nevada law is clear. An at-fault driver is responsible for the damages of the people they hurt, and this includes their property damage, their medical bills, their lost wages, their future lost wages, their pain and suffering, including their emotional damages. You're entitled to all of that. If you've been involved in a car accident in Las Vegas, I'm sure you're asking yourself, well, how do I get compensated for my medical bills? How do I get compensated for my lost wages and the pain and suffering I suffered due to the fault of an at-fault driver? And the reality is that while this video is a good introduction and overview about what to do in a car accident, it is not the full gamut of what can be done or what needs to be done. This is just a brief overview, a tip of the iceberg. I encourage you to reach out to a skilled attorney such as myself, and I'll give you a free consultation. We can go over exactly what we need to do, protect your legal interests, and maximize your recovery from at-fault driver. So just remember, I'm Zach, I got your back, and if you need help, I'm here for you.